Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix PC boot configuration data is missing error if repair and refresh is locked. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type BCD edit, find your boot drive and Windows installed drive. Boot drive is EFI and Windows installed drive is C. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is GPT of UEFI. Type cell disk 0. Type list space, vol. Find your system volume. In my case system volume is 3. Type assign space, letter equal to n. Type ncolan, CD EFI, CD Microsoft, CD boot. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. If any error follow bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec space, /rebuild BCD. If total identified Windows installation is 0, follow the 2 commands. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive colan \Windows space, /s space, assigned letter colan space, /f space, all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.